Most people have no idea that one Christmas lights job is literally 2,000 grand. 2 installs per day, 30 days straight, that's literally 120k grand per month. Just hanging lights. If you do window cleaning, power washing, literally any home service business, and you're not doing Christmas lights, you're literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the numbers work, why these jobs are so high ticket, and how can you close them without even leaving your house. So here is the deal. The industry standard is around $8 to $12 per foot. Take your regular suburban home, that's literally at least 200 feet. And that's where minimum $2,000 come from. And the best part, Christmas lights are recurring revenue. So every time the customer leases the lights from you, so you own the lights. So the customer will actually come back to you every single year because you will be the cheapest to install them. And here's exactly how I close Christmas light jobs without me ever needing to leave the house. So firstly, select a customer you would like to pitch. In my case, it would be Claire. I selected in my own CRM, I click her, and I can see clearly her address. Here, let's now paste this address in Google search, and you have three options, which is Zillow, Redfin, and Google Street View. Let's select Google Street View this time. So I would just zoom in on her house. You can clearly see it here. Just screenshot it, and on the screenshot I would just cut it out to beautiful photo and select save to photos. Then I would go to Christmas lights app, which I use Jolly Lights. I would pick a photo, insert it here, done. Now I select strand, add strand, and I can clearly add the strand from the corner to corner. Here is pretty simple design that I did. You can do much complex design and actually select the windows and everything you want. Then to make the photo actually good, I would go into photo and reduce the sunlight. So the photo actually looks pretty. Here I would select the design like this, and you can just go ahead and I usually just screenshot it directly from here. Like this. Now here is the text I sent for the lights. Hey Claire, I made a Christmas lights design for you. Here is how it looks. We'll be in your neighborhood this week, so I can give you $300 discount or free gutter cleaning. Want to see the full design? That's why it's not a yes or no question, but it actually builds interest. Then to quote it properly, open Google Earth and select the outline of the house. So in my case, it would be this house at point here, 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 and close shape. Then for sure make sure you change to feet. And as you see, this is 228 feet house. And usually we would charge from $8 to $12 per foot. Now once you've got the price, here is a list of what we order for every Christmas lights installation job. So it would be here, C9 light socket wire, C9 bulbs, warm white, cool white, whatever the customer will actually choose for you. Male, female plugs, so you can custom cut and connect wires between each other. Christmas light clips for the roofline, outdoor extension cords, a glue gun, so you can stick the lights on the windows, on the siding, a timer, so the lights can turn on and off automatically, a really good feature that the customer will pay extra for. And electrical tape, so you can weatherproof, so even if it's a hard snow, the lights will still be working. And with just that list, you can install clean professional Christmas lights on any house. So if you're a window cleaner and winter keeps crushing your revenue, stop doing what everyone does. Build your clients list, reach out to them, and that's how you'll stay busy all winter months while your competitors are waiting for the spring. If you want more real on-the-job strategies, follow me and drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper in any of the topics.